Binance Coin is the native cryptocurrency of the Binance Exchange, which is one of the largest cryptocurrency exchanges in the world. Binance Coin was created in 2017 as an ERC20 token on the Ethereum blockchain, but it has since migrated to its own blockchain, called the Binance Chain. Binance Coin has several use cases within the Binance ecosystem. It can be used to pay for trading fees on the Binance Exchange, and users can receive a discount on their trading fees if they pay with BNB. Binance Coin is also used for token sales on the Binance Launchpad platform, which is a platform for launching new cryptocurrency projects. In addition to its use within the Binance ecosystem, Binance Coin has also gained value as a tradable asset on cryptocurrency exchanges. Its value has increased significantly since its launch, and it has consistently ranked among the top cryptocurrencies by market capitalization. Overall, Binance Coin has become an important cryptocurrency due to its use within the Binance Exchange and its potential as a store of value and trading asset.